Welcome back to my channel. Google has officially announced that it has built a self-developed chip in cooperation with Samsung. According to Axios, Google's self-developed SOC has been taped out and is expected to be installed on Pixel series phones. This chip is code-named Whitechapel and comes with an 8-core CPU as well as uses Samsung's 5nm process. From this perspective, the competition between Huawei and Google will continue to the chip level. And Huawei may face greater challenges. As previously heard that Google and Samsung jointly developed a new mobile platform, which will mainly be used on the Pixel series. Google has always been quite attentive to its flagship product line. Each generation of products has caused a lot of difficulties to integrate self-developed chips into the product body. But Google has been always hoping to use this feature to attract more customers. Therefore, for Google, it has become a goal to increase the competitiveness of the Pixel series. In this sense, the first measure taken by Google is to cooperate with Samsung to develop chips. As a result, it is indeed not good news for Huawei. If Huawei wants to develop 5G phones, it may also need Samsung's 5nm chip technology. But will Samsung provide its 5nm process node to Huawei? We doubt a lot. Despite this, Huawei officials have not issued any response. But the competition between Google and Huawei on the chip has also begun. And it is an indisputable fact that the sales of Huawei's flagship smartphone Mate series and P series have always crushed the Google Pixel series. The other news from Google is about OnePlus 8 series. The OnePlus 8 series handsets have been uncovered just a few days ago. And though they caused a lot of stir around them, not everything is perfect in their specs. But most of them are related to software or UI. This simply means these handsets will become better in time. One of the first enhancements has been added today. The company announced that the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro smartphone owners can now use the Google game streaming service Google Stadia on their devices. Particularly, from the statement, we learn that the OnePlus 8 Pro can use the Google Stadia basic version 1080p, 60fps stereo version for free. So if you use a compatible device and want to play games on the go, now is the time. To get a free Google Stadia subscription, all you need to do is to have a Gmail address and be located in one of the 14 supported countries and regions. Then, you should follow the instructions below. Go to the official Google Stadia website to register. Download the Stadia app on compatible devices. Start playing the game. Google Stadia Cloud Game is currently available in Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Ireland, Italy, Netherlands, Norway, Spain, Sweden, United Kingdom, and the United States. Hawaii or Guam do not currently support this service, but Puerto Rico and Alaska do. If you do not have a Gmail address, but want to participate in Stadia activities, just go to the Gmail website and register one. You can also get a 2-month Stadia Pro subscription for free. This will allow you to play 9 games, including Super Touring Car Race, Starting Point, Fate 2, Collection, and Thumper. That's all for this news. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on the latest technology news.